why. All right, guys, we are here today with
Xiaopeng Productions.
Castro Valley Skate Park crew in the Xiaopeng Productions. What do they say? Dave's Hot Chicken. I don't know, there's some inside joke that I'm not getting any of it. Okay, so we're gonna play a game of skate. It's me versus all of you guys. So what are the rules here?
I don't know, I've never played a game of skate. I ride a scooter.
That was a bad place to start. He said, I don't know, I've never played a game of skate. Okay, so I'll do a trick. Everybody gets an attempt. Everybody who wants an attempt gets an attempt. Okay. And you guys do a trick, I have to land it. So we Rochambeau to see who goes first. Do we need more rules than that?
No, I think that's fine.
That's
okay. Ready on 3?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh! Castro Valley goes first. I'm terrified. These guys have the steeziest pop shove it in the entire world. He's the team captain. He gets to choose everything. No way you started with a kickflip. Okay, I'm taking it easy on these guys. We're going to start it with a 180.
What was that? What was that? I didn't even see
Got him.
Front side?
Front side 180.
Rome cooked. Oh,
yeah! Steezy front side 180. Okay, that was well done.
All right, we'll go. I'm going? All right.
I mean, you don't all have to do it. If one person lands, you guys don't get a letter. But if you want to, you can. Okay, I know you got this because I've seen you guys. All of them have the most steeziest pop shove it. So let's pop shove it.
Not me. Hey, this is you. This is you again.
And my pop shove it's not steezy. Lack of steez. Wow, look at that. Look at this guy.
Buttery.
Save some girls for the rest of us. You got that one. We're going to do this one. Whoa, front shove?
He has all this that's his thing.
Oh, what?
All right.
Who's up next? You got a front shove.
I want to set a trick. I don't.
100% you do. Everybody's learning front shove today. Oh yeah, you got it too. Keep your front foot on the board. Keep your front foot close to the board.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Bro, we're cooked. We can't even front shove.
These S shoes are sick, by the way. Bro, you totally have it. Okay, is that a letter?
Yeah.
Okay. Dang. S to nothing. Okay, I know you got this one. Kickflip. Oh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Steezy kickflip.
That was so bad.
Okay, this one's really hard for me. The hardest trick in skateboarding.
Oh, Chris, I see you.
Judge. Who's the judge?
That's a rebate. Rebate that.
Yeah, you gotta go like this. Beep, beep. Come on, that was Toe Drag City. I was surprised I even flipped it, to be honest.
Set it.
Oh my God. I knew I was gonna miss that. Okay, you guys are up. Take me out.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God, that was good. Heel flip. First try. Okay, not only was his heel flip better than mine, but his pants are exponentially sicker. Heel flip time. I only got one try. Pressure's on. What? S to S. It's a tied game. We got a game on our hands.
Go for it, bro.
How did I miss that? Oh, because I suck at them.
Just do it, bro. Just do it.
Oh, bro, that was a good trick. Okay, so, God, what should I do? Okay, I'm gonna do that just because that was funny. Very nice, very nice.
What do you want to do?
Okay, that's it.
If you pull, always want to pull a trick. Hey, this is your turn.
Come here. Go out here. Now do it again. Thank you. What is with my toe? What is wrong with you? You should just stay on the board. Okay, let's give it another go.
Okay.
Why? Every time I do that.
Oh.
Yes. Well played. Well played. Fakey big spin. Sheesh. That had me nervous, I'm not gonna lie. Ooh. What in the world?
Hey,
Fakey varial flip.
I'm gonna send it.
Okay, that was good. That was money. I should take 2 letters if I don't land this. Fakey varial flip. No! SK to S. Man down. Mayday. Calling the police. Oh, fakey flip. Okay, that was good. I don't know what I got left. I'm out of tricks. Okay, let's tone it down a notch. Why? Why?
All right.
Ouch, that hurt. Yes!
Ooh.
Well played, well played. Okay, I need to relax, breathe. That tray double flip got me going. Varial flip, okay, we can do it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah! That was a sick fakey flip. What is it, SK to S?
Yeah.
Right? Woo! Oh, wow!
That was so bad.
That was so good! Half cap kickflip. Well done, well played. Ouch! SKA to S. Good job, you guys. You guys are winning.
Do a fakey shove, Philip.
SKA, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Fakey shove all
yeah.
day. First try.
Hey, I think I got fakey to shove.
There was a 50% chance that I was gonna miss that. Not gonna lie to you. Bro!
Bro.
Fakey 180 onto the bottle? All right, kick that bottle out here. I love these ones. This is right up my alley. This is what I needed.
Full cap, do it.
This is what we should have started with. Ooh. What in the? Okay, I like that. I like that. We're gonna go the other way though.
Hey, say something.
Okay, you got it. Okay, the key on this is land and pivot. Anybody want to try?
I mean, well, like we already got the letter, right?
No.
What?
If any one of you lands the trick, you don't get a letter. That's why it's me versus all of you.
I feel like you got it.
No, I don't.
What do
You
mean
got
don't?
it. Okay, if you
Bro,
can
you
do
got
a
it better
back
than me,
180,
bro.
if you can do a back 180 like this, just do a half cab into that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, I teach everybody this trick today.
Oh my god.
Okay, SKA, I got A and you guys got K,
Yeah.
right? Okay, I'm gonna do a cheater trick. This is the cheapest trick in all of skateboarding.
What is it?
Show you. Oh, bro, you got it.
I've never done that.
Okay,
Dude.
instead of your foot like right there, pull it back down a little more,
Yeah.
and then double. Like you were in regular kickflip position. You need to go double. I would put your foot more, that was a good kickflip catch. Okay, double flip, you guys got it. Nobody saw that?
All right,
Yes,
one
sir.
more try. I think I got it.
Okay, you got it. Yeah.
Bro.
Woo! Okay, A to A, now we're tied up. Do you guys do Nollie? Any Nollie tricks?
Oh, yeah, we can.
They can Nollie, they said, they can. Okay, let's try. You got it, you got it.
Are we
It's the
about to-
same as a kickflip, only Nollie. Okay, we can teach you that one too. Yeah.
Nope.
Okay,
Bro.
T to A. He said it doesn't hurt to try and he just gets hurt. I guess it does hurt to try. Big spin variations? You want me to do big spins? Okay, okay.
We're about to do a regular one or we're about to lose.
Sheesh. Yeah. Wait, this is the last letter. Everybody gets 2 tries.
Oh.
Wait, I got another try? No way.
Bro, you fully got it. Hold on, these wheels are sick. Old school.
Wait, we all get one more try?
You all get 2 tries.
Oh.
Oh, bro, you got it. And if you want to give a try, I'll even allow this. If you want to give your try away to somebody else, feel free. You got to land on the front and pivot if you don't get the full rotation. Yeah, you
Mouth.
got it. Turn
Mouth.
your body more.
Take mine. Just give him the mouth, bro.
Mo has got it. Come on, Mo. See, you got that? You got the
Bro, pull
easiest
that
pump
again.
shove it. You can do big spin.
Oh my god.
Got to do it on a bank.
Close stuff.
He told me to do that trick, by the way.
Skaters, so we have 3 more letters?
Oh yeah, we can do the skaters. All right,
we
they got
said-
skate. Wait, that was skate, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, so then 2 more letters.
Yeah, 2 more.
Okay, RS, fair enough. Well, what should I do then?
Nollie shove.
Nollie shove, they said?
That's not a nollie shove. That's not a nollie shove. That's not a nollie shove.
Missed it, your turn. Back heel?
Bro.
I'm not taking that, I'm rebating that. That was terrible. That's terrible.
Oh my god.
There we go.
Eric. Derek can tray flip, dude.
I'll flick a little bit, but it's really all in the back foot. All in the back foot, guys. You got that, though.
Oh, you have that.
Bro, that was it!
Oh my God.
Yeah. I could probably teach you that trick if you want to learn. Yeah, you're really close. You got to lean back more before you pop. Send the board more in front of you. Okay, is that your R?
Yeah.
Everybody went? Last trick then. What should I do? This long pause. He said do a backflip. Okay, backflip, let's go. Backflip it is.
Backside. What? Bro.
I'm rebating that, it was garbage.
That ain't no backside flip.
It's your turn.
Okay.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Please. Kickflip body varial.
Do a hard flip.
Now I want to do that, huh?
Do a hard flip.
Okay, okay.
I don't think he has that.
Oh,
There he goes.
body.
All right. Can I do the back heel? I'm gonna land it. I'll land it. Look, I pinky promise you I'll land it. I landed it. That's not weird.
Team captain is coming in with the pinky promise. Coming in hot. Ah, that is a good trick.
Bro, I failed. I failed everyone. Oh my God, bro's trying to game it.
I'm not even rebating that. It's your turn. That was so bad. Yeah. Okay, one more try just to vindicate myself from earlier in the game. Last try. Body.
Try, huh? Oh my God.
Yeah.
I got the next try, I think.
Tray, revert. Just land in the nose and pivot. Yeah, you can shove it revert. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, it is weird. Oh, bro! See, you almost did the revert on accident. Oh. Yeah. Good game?
Good game.
Good game. Okay, you guys are the best.
Yep.
So huge thanks to the Castro Valley crew. Shout out. Where should they follow you? Come on, I know you got a YouTube channel. Get out of here.
About to plug it.
Big Apple Bagels? All right, if you guys are ever in Castro Valley, you gotta go to Big Apple Bagels. Get on the Big Apple Bagels, let's go. Follow them on Instagram. All right, we hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We'll see you in the next video. Whee!